guys? This is Donnie, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, when we come back, we got the JJRC. This is the baby elfie, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, guys. Hey, today I got the little baby elfie. Got it from a company off of Amazon.com, so you guys will have to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. So I already have the Elfie Plus that I gave to my boy for Christmas, but this is the Elfie, the baby Elfie. So I want to check this out. I was kind of seeing some reviews and I thought it looked pretty cool myself. So, and I kind of like these G-censored controllers. So let's open the box here. And it comes with the plastic cover over it, and you got a carrying case, which is pretty cool. Then you got your instruction manual, and it looks like what is this? AR Master Shooter, huh? I don't know. Must be the QR codes, I bet, in here. Yeah, it's a QR code, so you can be able to get the Wi-Fi, because it does have a camera. I believe it's the 720p camera on this one. Let's go ahead and open it up. I guess you can wear this on your. I seen someone had a video and had it on their arm, which I'll never do. But it'd be kind of cool to like maybe have it on your bicycle, or you know, somewhere where you can hang it up like that. So I guess on a belt loop if you want, but you know, I'm not going to do that. I'll probably just keep it wrapped like this and keep it in like your car or you know, something like that. So all right, let's open this up real quick. I don't want to take too long on these unboxings. I know they're boring. So you got the G-sensor controller, so that's just for one hand, so that way you can you know, be able to tilt it forward and back and sideways like that, so it's using that as a sensor. Then you got of course the, take a look here, you got the toggle switch, is which you're gonna press down and it's gonna go and start the motors, and then you press up to be able to give it altitude, or down to bring it back down, or you can just press the button again and it'll do an automatic land. We'll get into more of the buttons and controls. I'm sure it's the same as the Elfie Plus, so you're gonna have the calibrate button, and then you're gonna have the I believe the one key takeoff, I would think would be on there. So, but I'll leave a picture of the buttons, and so you guys can look at that. If I don't do that, then I'll just show you when I go out there to fly it. So there's that. Let's see what batteries it takes on this one. I believe it's 2 AA's. Yes, it is. It's or actually, excuse me, 2 AA's. So 2 AAA batteries to run this one here. And then let's take a look at the quadcopter itself. So, alright, what else do we have? Well, let me look at the, okay, so we got the USB charger, and you got 4 spare props and a little Phillips screwdriver in there. Let's see, I don't see anything else in that. So, anything else in this? Nope, nothing else in the bag. Let's look at the little guy. Pretty cool. It's about half the size of the Elfie Plus. So I may dig out the Elfie Plus and then do a snapshot of them next to each other so you can see the difference. So I just didn't get it out. All right, unfolds out the rear first, and there we go. Pretty nice. Looks like we got the battery. Is that oh, okay. So you just pull right here, you press these 2 ends in right here. On the sides here, you press them in, and then you can pull the battery out. Different style battery, I've never seen that before, so that's something new to me. So, alright, so that's the battery, and I'm sure it's probably dead. Yeah, it's dead, so I'm going to have to charge it. The camera can be adjusted on this one, so you can tilt it up quite a bit, so that makes it nice. It's can't see it on film, but it's pointed up to about this much of an angle, so that ain't too bad. So when you're going, you can have at least that much of a pitch to be able to see what you're looking at. The last of these style drones, the bigger selfie drones, it was more filming the ground. I didn't like that. You couldn't see really anything. You'd have to kind of you know, fly it back like this at an angle so you can capture stuff in front of you. This one I'm going to be curious to see. So you'll have to go on the app to record and be able to do flips and things. That will be through the app, so we'll check that out whenever we go out for a flight. So, all right, guys. Hey, before I go out there, I came back real quick. I did dig out the Elfie Plus real quick. I wanted to show you this so you could see the size difference. Let me open this up real quick. That way you can have a comparison. You could remember this one came with the hard case. Let me take a look at it. I gave this one to my son, so I couldn't remember where I had it. So let me fold these out so you can see the size difference. Which I like the Elfie Junior. It's kind of cool because it'll be more of an indoor flyer too. So here's the difference, guys. So not too bad. You know, it's a little bit smaller. So this one will be pretty cool because then in a smaller area inside your home will be a lot easier to fly. Which this one's not too bad, but it's, you know, it's more of an outdoors and especially no wind. So no wind with these. And I'm sure it's going to be the same for this one. So, all right, now we're going to go out in the field, guys. Okay, so stay tuned.
What's up, guys? I'm with the baby Elfie, and I'm taking a quick review on this outside. You can see it's going to start raining again, so I'm going to go ahead and unfold this thing real quick. Hopefully I can get some flight footage here. These buttons to calibrate. This one's the emergency stop. This one here I believe is to headless mode, and this one here I believe for the lights. So I could be backwards on that. We'll find out. And this is rates right here. Pushing this on, we'll go and start it. I'll get my phone, get the app on. Let's get this thing on. Alright, guys, got that on. Turn the transmitter on. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and link it. There we go. Let me get my phone app on here. JJRC. Alright, let me go and find the Wi-Fi so we can connect. Alright, guys, connected, and here we go. It's going to start sprinkling here, so I got to start recording. Okay, we do have screen. Alright, guys, you can see the rain's coming, so alright, let's get this thing going. I'm going to start it up. Going to go in rates 3 since we're outside. Alright, guys, I'm going to land it real quick. Okay, I'm going to calibrate it, this button, by holding it a few seconds. It's flashing. It's calibrated. Let's see what this one is. I think this one's headless mode, or it could be the lights. Maybe this one. Oh, this one's the lights. Headless mode, I think, is that one. Let's see. No, that's headless mode up here. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring this thing up. I'm not going to do headless mode today, guys. I'm going to just fly this around a little bit. It's a good flyer, you know. It's just like the Elfie Plus, just smaller. These things, I really like these G sensors. They work well. It's kind of windy here. That's why I'm in the cul-de-sac of the apartments here, so the wind don't catch it. I didn't want to have a flyaway. I'm not saying it will, but I don't want to take a chance. Plus, too, everybody's coming home. It's traffic time, so. Okay, let's bring it up a little bit so I can get some views. I'll bring it out here. Let me bring it out here. Watch out for that pole and the tree. Ooh, clip the tree. Come forward. Oh, back. And we landed in the tree. Oh, alright. That was my fault. I forgot which way I was facing, guys. So, alright. Since it's flashing because it's been crashed, just go ahead and recalibrate it. It's connected. So here we go. Alright. Can't go too far, guys, because it will fly away. So I'm going to only take it up this high. Okay. So we'll get some looks with the camera here. Okay. said, you just do this by pressing down on here, and we can go forward. This battery's only about 5 minutes, I believe, guys, so only gonna fly it around for a few more minutes because I'm starting to feel sprinkles. So I just wanted to show you how well this thing flies. It flies very well. It's very worth the money. Okay, someone's coming, so get back over here. Lights are flashing already. So alright guys, I'm gonna land this. So I just press this once and it will land. Emergency stop right there. Alright guys, hey, the baby Elfie right here, guys. You can find it on Amazon. Well worth the money. I sure appreciate you guys watching. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying, guys.